So here are 5 tips to help you get started. Acknowledge the good work that your employees do. Your workers are in it for more than a paycheck, and they will work even harder when they know that you sincerely appreciate the effort, skill, and ability they bring to the table. Invest in professional development. By offering training programs, mentoring, coaching, and cross-training, you'll make sure you have the most talented and capable people working for you. To sum up these first 2 ideas, Richard Branson once said, train your employees well enough so that they could leave, but treat them well enough so that they don't want to. Get to know your employees. Create opportunities both inside and outside the workplace for employees to socialize and build relationships with each other. It's true, people who play together stay together. Empower your employees to be creative and to innovate in their job. This decision to empower may also entail being okay with failure from time to time, but create a safe environment for workers to develop new ideas, processes, and prototypes. And sincerely care for your people. When you hire the right people and you care about them as individuals, you will make a huge difference. Be real, authentic, and approachable, and your employees will give you the same honesty and sincerity back to you.